Welcome back, guys. This is your ordinary guy. This is the channel Crazy Art, and this video is going to be about what I think the definition of art is. So let's start off. I think the definition of art is using objects to make a picture. So this starts off being drawing. Now you can do many things with drawing. On paper or on screen device, or just use your imagination. Now, for example, if you did a drawing, you can just let your imagination flow. So for example, you could draw a tree. Simple as that. That is an element of the definition of art, right? So that is drawing, part of it. Now, the second element of art, I think, is colouring, right? So this is using different shades of colours to create a different substance, colour balance, or just to create a great effect. This can be used in Photoshop, normal drawing, or to make something realistic. So that is colouring. Now that is our second element of my definition of art. Now we move on. Delete this. Now we move on to the third element, putting drawing and colouring into a picture. So as we go back to our tree, so we draw something visually, we put it in some kind of colour, so I'm going to get a brown. And we create an object using colour and drawing. A picture of the vision. There you can see third element of blending colours and drawing of a picture together. So there we have our third element. Okay, so those are my three elements to the definition of art. Now I've made a special element of art directly to myself that I recommend to all you viewers. This one is outlining, or creating a great effect. This can be either making text, a different font, bold, or whatever you want. It can be many things. So let's start off with outlining. So as you can go back to that tree, outlining to me is making something realistic, as for example adding texture and saturation. So for example, texture can simply just be adding kind of dark features. This is related to texture. Now texture can also be making it 3D. You see here, I'm personificating the roots. Then it can also be making life objects. So it could be a sunflower. With a smiley face. simply personificating a character could be easily outlined. So this to me sounds different, but to me it's a great understanding of art. So now we move on to the effect. The effect is realism. It's adding vibrance and saturation to a picture, making it more realistic to the viewers. So for example, the Mona Lisa, it's basically details, that would be an effect. So this effect has a lot of meaning in art. So we'll draw something that can have a lot of meaning to realism and just to the background. So we'll, for example, draw a bird. That could be an effect. Effect is adding something like detail and making it realistic. So we can simply go with this texture here and simply make an effect on the texture. As simple as this. That is adding an effect. Just making something realistic or personificating it or adding something to fit in a space. So that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be posting daily many videos, and give me a comment down below on future videos for either drawing, Photoshop, etc. So please like and subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.